In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave Etsy review. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to share helpful feedback with a seller. First, open your web browser and go to Etsy's homepage. You can type the address directly or use your bookmarks if you've saved it. Make sure you're signed in to the account you used for your purchase, since reviews are tied to your orders. If you're not already signed in, look for the Sign In option at the top of the page and enter your details so your orders will show up correctly. Now, look to the top right corner of the Etsy page for your account icon. It usually looks like a small person's silhouette or your profile image. Click that icon to open the account menu. This menu is where you will find the shortcuts you need to manage your purchases, addresses, and more. From that menu, choose Purchases and Reviews. This takes you to your order history, where you can see everything you've bought with this account. Each order will display details like the item name, shop, and order date. If the order is eligible for feedback, you'll see an option to leave a review right next to it. Etsy typically opens the review option around the estimated delivery date and keeps it available for a limited time. So if you don't see the review box yet, it might be a bit early, or the review window may have closed. When the review option is visible, click it to start. You'll be able to select a star rating and write your comments. Keep your review clear and specific. Mention what you loved, note anything that could be improved, and, if relevant, include details like fit, color accuracy, packaging, or shipping speed. If you see an option to add a photo, that can be helpful for other shoppers, especially for handmade or customized items. Keep your tone respectful and constructive. Sellers appreciate honest feedback they can act on, and future buyers rely on your experience to make informed decisions. Before you submit, take a quick moment to proofread. Correct spelling and a clear structure make your review easier to read and more useful. When you're happy, post the review. If you need to make a change later, you may be able to edit it within Etsy's allowed time frame. That's it. Go to Etsy, open your account menu, and head to Purchases and Reviews to leave thoughtful feedback. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you support your favorite shops and guide other shoppers with confidence.